Hey, little nommers, if you like these recipes, go ahead and just follow me all around town. I mean, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram. Don't actually follow me around town, that would be creepy. But you're welcome on social media. Let's get started on making some spicy buffalo, quote, wings. Because they're not actually chicken, we're going to be using cauliflower today, but don't worry, it's going to be delicious. Gonna use a whole head of cauliflower, just remove all that extra stuff, carve out the core, yank her out, and divide it up into florets, however big you want your wings to be. Try to give it somewhat uniform so they'll cook evenly. We make our sauce. We're starting with a cup of buttermilk. It'll be nice and tangy. About a half cup of hot sauce. I'm using some Frank's Red Hot, and then since I ran out, I'm augmenting that with some Crystal Hot Sauce. But it'll give us some nice southern flavor. Garlic to taste. I like garlic and I want to taste a lot, so I use a lot of garlic. And then a quarter cup of flour to thicken it up. And we'll just whisk that all together. Get it nice and smooth. And dump in all our cauliflower and toss it up. It's fun to get a little messy. Pack it down a little bit so it'll soak in there, because I'm just gonna let this rest in the fridge for about an hour after I wash my hands. Quick rinse. I want the flavor to really get up in the nooks and crannies. So it's been about an hour. We're gonna get a baking sheet ready. We got our kind of marinated cauliflower here. We're just gonna dump it out and arrange it so they're not right up against each other. They need a little room to breathe in the oven. Put it in our preheated 450 degree oven. 30 minutes total. Flip it after 15 minutes. Easy breezy. While that's going on, let's make a sauce. Start with some fresh parsley. This is going to be a kind of ranch inspired sauce. 4 cloves of garlic. Throwing this right into the blender. A few sprigs of fresh dill. White pepper. Salt. Sour cream. Mayonnaise, my favorite instrument. More mayonnaise. Liquid smoke, just a touch. And a splash of buttermilk. Blend that all up nice and good. This will be a cooling, savory sauce for our spicy hot wings. Now our wings are ready. Our wings are looking nice and roasted. Steaming hot. Definitely the best way to eat them is fresh, though. Just don't burn your mouth. And they're so tasty. It tastes like buffalo wings. And then with the cooling, savory, delicious homemade ranch sauce. There's a lot of tang, a lot of spice, a little garlic. Yeah. If you're looking for an easier, healthier way to do buffalo wings, definitely don't write this off as just a health food. Like, it tastes good just of its own merit. I would happily have these any day of the week.